Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and today I have a Nerf gun Mega Cyclone Shock. And here with my little test subject, Rylan, we're going to be shooting her butt. So come down here.
No, why are you shooting my butt?
And ready guys, for this awesome moment.
You're gonna get left like
Ready? Ready guys? Ready. Here we go again.
No.
One last time. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I think for good likes, I'm going to shoot it one more time for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And have an awesome day. If you haven't subscribe. Turn the bell on to leave notifications so you never miss an upload by me.